everybody. Well, we out here again. Except I got my favorite one today with me. Got my daddy with me. We finna go see if we can't catch some crappie, man. But anyway, good Lord give us another day. Give me another day to fish with my daddy. It's awesome. But let's go see what we can do. Let's go see if we can't put some of these big slabs in the boat. And hopefully. But yeah. Alright, let's go see if we can't get it done, y'all. See that crappie jump out there? Come on, get him, Daddy. Get him.
I'm finna get him.
Get him.
Right here.
Get him.
Here we go.
There he is. There he is. I got that joker. I know it. I know it. Run off and forgot the cooler. That's all right. Oh yeah, that's good. That's good in there, Daddy. Look at that.
That's it.
Mm-hmm.
Very good.
Number one, man. Come on, get one out of there, Daddy.
Good is there.
Yeah, I know it. Got the dang cooler.
Ain't even got a fish. Well.
Yeah, he hit that sucker. Don't know what he was, but he hit it. We just ain't got that current and stuff. Oh man. Got that one. That's a good one too, if I can get him to the boat, Daddy. Yeah, I'm trying. Oh, ain't a scrappy. It's a big one, dude. Yeah, that's a big one there. Great day in the morning. I know it, man. I can't control the boat. Look at that one.
Oh, that's a slab, that now.
Look at that one, Daddy.
That's a good one, bro.
Woo!
Ain't nothing wrong
Well, look
with
how
that
thick that joker is.
That's nice.
Man, that's nice. Oh, nice in there. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yep.
See if we can't get a nothing.
Roll down.
Now see, he ate it like he's supposed to. It was all in the back of his throat.
He was hungry.
Mm-hmm. Oh man, missed that one. Well, we didn't get it done. What about it, Dad?
No, we didn't get it done. We sure did. Man.
Hey, I think we caught two and lost one. No, lost two. And I don't know if I blew my motor up on my giant boat or what's going on, but we headed to the boat place, mechanic up in, boat the world, drop it off. See how much that's gonna cost. But at least I got to spend time with my daddy, that's all that matters.
Yeah, we had a lot of fun too, always.
Oh yeah, we had fun, no doubt, no doubt. But anyway, we ain't got a lot of fish catching footage today for y'all. It's gonna be a short one, you know. But anyway, maybe next time we get them. Of course, I might not be able to afford to get my motor fixed.
That's right.
Hey, I don't know, man. They might have to keep the boat. But anyway,
We may have to fish out the bank from here on out.
yeah, we might be bait fish from here on out. Who knows? But anyway, I appreciate all y'all. And there again, sorry we didn't have a lot of fish catching, but we sure had fun. But we'll see y'all on the next trip, maybe. Lord willing. Hope everybody has a blessed day and a good weekend. We'll holler at y'all later.